Not feeling good about my swing, just feeling like I needed to get up and down whenever possible. And then it wasn't really until like midway through the back nine that I realized that like I was hitting it better. I looked at my little stat card and I realized I hit 8 out of the 9 greens on the back nine. So that made it really nice because I didn't have to worry too much about getting up and down. I just had to putt.